Hey folks, welcome back to Metal Mill 52 Workshop. My name is Bill, this is my shop. We're working on an LBSC TICH locomotive, and here's the locomotive itself, basically the chassis that we've been working on for a long time. And here's the boiler that we pressure tested. You're about to see the actual pressure testing of the boiler over at my buddy Fred's shop. So this will be a short episode. Hope you like it, find it interesting. And please stay tuned because pretty soon we're gonna dive right into making valves and things for the boiler, and that'll be very interesting. Thanks everybody.
Tested a bunch of boilers with it.
Yeah. We're over
What is your operating pressure going to be?
It's 80.
80?
Yeah.
So 120 test pressure then.
That's right. The book says 160 for the double.
Double?
Yeah. We're over at Fred's house doing the pressure test on the little boiler for the titch.
Yes, you're going to have to tape all these up.
Okay.
It's 140.
Wow. Nice.
I don't see any need in
Yeah.
taking it any higher than that.
Okay. Yeah, I'd seriously doubt if it's not good to go. Main reason I wanted to test this, Fred, was because I am going to have to silver solder some things on there. The fitting, the upper fitting for the water sight gauge, it's supposed to be silver soldered onto the top there, and obviously I'll be drilling and tapping a few more holes for some of the fittings. So just wanted to.
Yeah, this dry as a bone.
Yeah. Sweet. I interrupted you. You were talking about the process. Did you want to add anything for the benefit of the viewers?
Well, the last time I did this, I broke the boiler.
Oh my gosh! What boiler was that?
And it was in rough shape.
Yeah. One thing I'm amazed about is it's not leaking around here. That little paper gasket.
Oh yeah, if it's a flat surface, the gas is going to seal.
That's amazing.
In fact, you don't even need to put paper on there. You can put RTV on that.
Yeah.
That's what I did on all my engines. Somebody suggested that. I said, "Wow, great idea!" And I did it for 20 years, never had a leak anywhere.
Cool. Very nice.
So this pump here is my friend Art Ohl is my mentor. Made this. I don't know how old it is. It's probably 50, 60 years old.
Right.
Has done hydro countless boilers.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy duty looking too.
Yeah, it does the job.
Yeah. Nice big gauge makes it easy to read too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially when it's clean.
Well, that's exciting
So
news.
the leak down that we have here is probably coming from. It's not coming. Well, it might be coming from under there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's holding real well now.
Yeah. Sure wish I knew who made that boiler, but you're saying it looks like a pretty professional job.
Oh yeah. Definitely not somebody's first boiler.
I'm sure you're right about that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's very nicely done.
Yeah, it really is pretty. I really appreciate Bill Shields for selling me this. Very nice. All right, folks, so there you have it. We've tested the boiler, thanks to Fred, to 140 psi, and I'm pretty happy with that. I know I'm not going to operate it at greater than 80 psi. So here's a close-up look of the little pieces that I made. The safety will go in here, but I was surprised everything held really well. We did have to put some Teflon tape around the little plugs that I made, but that was all that was needed in order to do the pressure test. So I'm going to tip it up like this, let any residual water drain out. And thanks again for watching. Please ask me any questions that you have. Please give me a thumbs up. Please pass the word to anybody that you think is interested. Have a great week. We'll talk to you soon.